Could another pandemic be delivered on the 4th of July the way of fireworks? The answer is an alarming yes. 95% of all fireworks used in the United States comes from China. All they need is a simple delivery system of a small capsule placed in the fireworks workings. So when the fireworks opens in a majestic display, the small capsule opens, and among the smoke and debris, the virus falls on the innocent spectators. The technology is already there. Could it happen? Folks, we are in a battle for world domination, and biological warfare is already in the forefront. Not by the people of China by any means. This is a leadership arena. Remember Nikita Khrushchev's chilling prediction? We will take America without firing a shot. Who is to say that the former Asian flu wasn't delivered to the U.S. in a similar means? So innocently, while we are celebrating our Independence Day and enjoying the beautiful, colorful displays, could we be allowing another pandemic on our doorstep? I wonder. Is this science fiction? Not anymore. It is estimated that America will spend over $1 billion on the 4th of July fireworks this year alone, on top of $500 to $600 million for other events. We have the leadership, management, skills, knowledge, information, and facilities here in the U.S. to produce our own safe fireworks to prevent this from happening in the future. Stay safe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.